today we're here with Ashton here at the Nampa Union Pacific train yard, and it is packed right now. We got some engines there, got some engines there, and we got this big mixed freight train, and I can see a Southern Pacific engine down there. The signal's red.
Oh, don't you see it?
Should turn green soon, and we should get some trains.
If you didn't ask me, you never noticed that.
Yep. Nice. I'm gonna do the honk sign, see if they can see me. Hey, another Southern Pacific! No way! Oh my gosh! Ultra rare! Look at this Southern Pacific 6236 on the front of the train and in the middle of it. A Nampa SD70 ACE! Wow, that's really rare. Not too rare, but that's pretty good. ES44AC. Nice.
Okay.
No guys in there.
It's not a spot now.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, Southern Pacific. Do you see that? That's so rare. And that's also rare that we get. Yeah, the black and red one. We get, so there's one on the front and in the middle.
Yeah, I'm going that may be the best idea.
And that is the end of the train. There it goes. Okay. Now I'm pretty sure some engineers are gonna come out and start these engines right here. Back over, I'm by the SD70Ms now, and they're on, and it is loud. I'm pretty sure this is the Gooding local right here. It should leave soon. Here's some more SD70Ms right here that are parked. Literally nothing here but SD70Ms. Every single engine here is an SD70M. I can barely see it down there. Barely. Can barely see the train. Every single signal is red though, right now. The signals are off now. So cool. I don't know, this is really funny, but I think the person who painted this engine, they wrote Union Pacific. Do you see that? That is hilarious. See if I can turn up the brightness on this thing. See that? Union Pacific. That is so funny. Yeah, that was close.
Yo,
can't wait for this train to start moving. The signal is yellow. Once it turns green, this train is going to start moving. This engineer is going to start up this train right here. There he goes, up the ladder. So I guess I was wrong. They're going to start up that engine.
come on.
And then they're going to start up, no, they're going to start up those engines right there. The SD70Ms over there. And they're going to come down this way. He said they're shunting some cars. Pretty sure that's what he said. He either said shunting some cars or moving some cars. But he's coming. There's the conductor. He just drove by. He said to stay here because they're gonna move that train in just a second. That's what he said. Oh, I cannot wait. Another train! Another train! No, not yet, not yet, not yet. ES44AC. Oh my gosh, we got another train. We got another train coming in this thing. Oh, shaving a haircut! Thank you! Yeah!
Yeah, I got that camera!
Good! I did too!
I'm a bullshit. I want to go.
Me too! This is crazy!
Yay! I got one.
There he goes. It's fine, we still got another train right here. There goes the other one. Me too, I just heard another train horn. No, not, yeah, dude.